Hello everyone. So this just came in today from UPS. I wasn't expecting this to come so soon, but I'm just going to unbox it here for you. So this came from the Christian Dior Toronto Colonnade, which is the flagship boutique in Toronto. And my lovely sales associate was able to get me this item. Actually, I didn't even have this item on my radar, but one of my friends here on YouTube and Instagram, Luxonomy, she was asking me for a kind essays contact. So I gave her my sales associate's contact at the flagship, and because she was looking for this item. And then when she pointed it out, I was like, I also want this too. So my lovely sales associate was able to get this for me. So she's packed it up. She's packed it up pretty nicely for me, and packing paper. And I'll admit I did this because I wanted the Christmas packaging. So beautiful, right? So I'm gonna pull this out. Here is the beautiful Dior bag. Stunning. So here is the bag, and it is very over the top. It reminds me, I don't know, it's just a lot going on, but anyway. I actually like the Christmas packaging from last year better, but this is still quite special. So here you got really lovely blue Dior ribbon with like gold sort of raised Dior. I think this is embroidered, or no, I think it's glue. It's glue. So we're gonna undo it. I of course have the Dior star. There we go. That's what we're talking about. Let's open what's inside. Beautiful box. Going to undo this ribbon. You can totally wear this in your hair if you wanted to. Beautiful. Gorgeous box. So nice. And I think I'm going to repurpose this box for something else. I don't know what yet, but tissue paper. And it is a notebook. It's quite a small notebook. I think this is like half of a regular letter size notebook, but super cute. This is the item code if you're curious, and we're gonna open it up. This would make an amazing gift. The price of this was about I'll insert the price. It was around $100 or 90 something, and then you add tax and then shipping. But this has the Toit de Juillet print all over it. It came in gray, and this is the blue. It has the gold foiling all around, and it has just plain pages, and it says Dior. Now, I love notebooks to write things in, but this is something I probably won't make notes in. I think I'm going to use this as like a mini like scrapbook, or I would give this as a gift to somebody special. So yeah, very beautiful, very cute.